having the responsibility for making a story is a big responsibility, you know, especially if it's nonfiction, because you're dealing not only with storytelling but with people's lives. So I worry a lot when I'm making the thing. Then when it comes out, I'm usually starting to work on something else, and I'm worrying about that. I think when I'm on my deathbed, one of my regrets will be not enjoying things more. You know, OKJA was selected for to compete in the Palme d'Or at Cannes. You know, we had a big black tie, red carpet, lots of women holding swords for some reason. And, you know, from any objective point of view, that's like an amazing night. But I found so many things to worry about that night rather than just sit back and enjoy it.
Like what they were going to think?
What they were going to think of the film. Oh God, so many things.
What they would think
Social
of you.
awkwardness. Did I say the wrong thing to that person?
Right.
You know, it's yeah. I mean, of course, you know, I like compliments, of course, but they don't do enough for me, unfortunately.
Well, don't wait to your deathbed to try to figure that out. I'm sure you can.
It's sort of moments of like total happiness. I don't, you know, that many. But at least the positive thing about that is I'm very productive. You know, I work very hard.
Because of all that anxiety to a certain extent.
Yeah, and also because I'm not, I don't get pleasure from not working.
Right.
So
there's an upside there.
Yeah.